What's up, y'all? It's LovelyJudeah and I'm back with another video. So today, don't be my morning. So today we're going to be doing a video on how I do like my little eyebrows and my makeup. So it's probably gonna be a short, little, sweet, simple video. Nothing too spectacular. I'm not really into the makeup thing for real. So I'm just trying something out just for today because I'm bored and I don't have nothing to do for real. And I'm just going out with my friend real quick. So yeah. So like I said, I'm not into the makeup game. So I'm not with like all of the high pricey makeup people because I don't wear makeup that much. So alright. I use this little brush to brush my eyebrows off. I use this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil for real. And I use this Pro concealer on my thing. Alright, so this is really what I do. It's nothing spectacular because my eyebrows, okay, my eyebrows is really thin anyways. Like, they not like dark full eyebrows, but it's okay because I feel like when my eyebrows look dark and stuff, it's just ugly. Like, it makes me look more manly. And you know, some people like that. Well, Judeah don't like that, okay? So, and on this pencil, it got a little brush on it too. And then it has like the little thingy on it. So, yeah. Oh, I need to take the top off of that. So, this is all I do. Because it really be like the ends of my eyebrows. Like, as y'all can see, like, it's super faint. If you get the ends of the eyebrows that's like don't faint. So nothing too bad. Don't do too much. Cause I don't want to tell that girl with me, but that's alright. So then I just come right here. I don't do too much in them though, cause you know. Alright, you see that? Take this and then just like that, and then brush it back out. Now you see it's like a gap right there, but it's here right there. See now? Boom. This one do the same thing. I always do this eyebrow better than I do the other eyebrow. It always happens. It always happens. See, like now that one just looks so freaking ugly. Good thing I got a towel right here to just make it look better. Okay. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Then I just take the Pro concealer thingy. I don't know why my throat sound like that for but first I just go right here and up there to get like the excess of it off. And I be shaking. take this one to where you gotta take this part of it and see. Okay, so did I do a good job or no? Did I do a good job or no? Did I do a good job? I mean, they look alright just for me to go out, right? Okay. And then that's just like that. I'm gonna pull my edges down. So that is how I do my eyebrows. Nothing spectacular, nothing too much. And yeah. Peace out.